Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys all know, I chopped my hair off back in September, and that was a really hard choice for me to make because hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back and I'm so excited to be back actually. So as you guys all know, I chopped my hair off back in September, and that was a really hard choice for me to make because I've always wanted my hair to be very long, and I never had intentions to cut my hair ever again. My hair was kind of damaged and I just felt like I wanted to start all over. So I decided to cut it all off, and it's definitely grown since I cut it back in August. It's probably grown about 2 inches and I'm so happy. But not to mention, I really miss my long hair. So I went ahead and ordered some LUXY hair extensions, and I've never tried LUXY hair extensions. I normally just buy my hair at this hair store, and I actually make my own hair extensions. But it was so much easier to do it that way and to blend it out because my hair was already really long. So I just added some extensions to it for fullness because my hair is not very thick. Like I don't have a lot of hair. So anyway, this time around, I thought I'd make it a little bit easier for myself since my hair is so short. I thought this would be easier to blend it. So I went ahead and got the LUXY hair extensions. Here it says I got the 160 grams, color 1B, because my hair is really dark. I don't color it quite black, but it is darkest brown. So in this kit, which is so freaking cute by the way, comes with a small piece for you to test it. It comes wrapped in this as well, and this is kind of a little disclaimer for you to read it first. And it's really important to read this and not to overlook it because they send you this piece to specifically try it on your hair, against your hair, to make sure that it matches your color. And if it does, obviously go ahead and keep the extension. If not, you can just put this right back in the box and send it back. It's important to note that once you break this seal, these are non-refundable or exchangeable. By the way, this video is not sponsored. I am simply reviewing this since it's my first time buying LUXY hair extensions. Anyway, so once you open the box, this is what it looks like, and the extensions are inside. You just rip the seal, and then it will come with individual wefts inside, and I will show you guys how that turns out. And I'm so excited to have long hair again because short hair, I do care. Yeah, let's go ahead and try these babies on. right, you guys, so this is the finished look with the Luxy hair extensions. I'm not gonna lie, I absolutely love them. They feel very natural and they're not heavy, even though I have a lot of extensions in my hair. I've never worn this many hair extension pieces in my hair, but I think it looks so pretty and it's definitely worth it. I know that my hair is really not blending into it nicely because I did have some curls in it already, so it just kind of looks out of place. But for the time being, I have to say that I am impressed with the way that it turned out. And so far, I would definitely recommend these to anybody that is looking to just add some length, add some fullness to your hair. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.